Hi all, welcome to my channel Neha Doing Makeup. I hope you all are doing well. Now that the festive season is coming, brands are launching their products back to back. And yes, I'm talking about Nykaa this time because Nykaa have launched their eyeshadow palettes. This is their 4-in-1 eyeshadow palette, which I know looks quite similar to their previous palettes. But here is a twist. So, the brand have given us two matte shades, one shimmer and one metallic. Brand also says that it have got holographic finish, no fallout formula, the pigment is on point. So we'll definitely check that. Also, this retails for 499 rupees each. I have got two palettes, two shades for myself. The one which I have is an eye color palette 09 URL IRL. And the other one which I have got is eye color palette 10 Cyber Baddie. I love this shade. So what we'll do is on each of my eye, we'll try to create an eye look with one of their palette and see how does it look. So keep watching. I'll first use the eye color palette 09 URL IRL. I'll pick up this lightest shade. I'll now take this brown shade. Now I will take this shade on a flat brush. Wow, there has been no fallout whatsoever, like very nice. Can you see? There is no fallout, not even with the matte, not even with the shimmer. It is perfect. Now let's move on the next eye. I will use the palette, eye color palette 10 Cyber Baddie. First pick up this lighter shade. On my outer corner, I will use this darkish brown shade. Flat brush, I'll take this holographic shade. On a small brush from their previous palette, I'll pick up the black shade and I'll give it a smudged liner effect. Some kajal of the look, mascara. So my thoughts about this product, as the brand claims, yes, there is no fallout. It is very pigmented. I have used the shimmers, I have used the mattes. There is no fallout whatsoever. And it is very pigmented, you guys. Like, this product is really very pigmented. It is beginner friendly because you are getting shimmer also, and you are getting mattes also, as well as you are getting a metallic also, which has got a holographic effect, which is quite in these days. So I think you should definitely go for it. Go and check out their website and grab your hands now. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you have liked what I have did today. If you have liked this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye and take care of yourself.